Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iwan Jasadi. I'm from class 3C. I want to tell you my PPT right now. Okay, and number one, the discourse analysis. Discourse analysis is a research approach and method that focus on studying a language used in various contexts, aiming to understanding how language contracts meanings and shapes social interaction. It involves examining both spoken and written communication to uncover underlying patterns, structures, and function with the discourse. Discourse analysis is applied in various fields such as linguistic, communication studies, sociology, anthropology, psychology, sociology, and political science. Researchers use it to explore a wide range of topics, including identity, construction, media representation, political discourse, and institutional communication. And number two, the theories and basic concept. Definition, the context. And number one, the context, okay? Definition, the context is refers to set of circumstance of factor that surround a particular event, situation, or communication. In language and discourse analysis, understanding context is crucial for interpreting the meaning of utterance, as it includes elements such as the physical environment, social setting, and the participant involved. Okay, number two, the discourse participant. Discord participants are individuals or entities engaged in a communicative exchange. They play an active role in producing and interpreting language within a specific content. Discord analysis consider the identities, role, and relationship of participants to uncover how their contributions shape the meaning of the discourse. Okay, the number three, the cohesion and coherence. Cohesion and coherence refers to the grammatical and lexical device used in language that create a sense of unity and connection within a text. It includes elements like pronoun, conjunction, and lexical preparation. Okay, the number four, the inference and implicator. Inference is the process of deriving implied meaning or drawing conclusions that are not explicitly stated in the text. It involves reader or listener making a logical connection based off the information present. Implicator definition refers to the implied meaning that arises in communication when a speaker suggests or conveys information indirectly. It involves understanding what is meant beyond the literal meaning of the word used. Okay, last one, the presupposition. Presup- pres- presup- Presupposition is an assumption or background belief that is taken for granted in the course of communication. It involves elements of shared knowledge and information that speakers assume their audience is aware of. Okay, mm, the number two, the function of language. The function of language memiliki memiliki tujuh definisi. Yang pertama itu communicative function. The communicative function of language refers to its overriding role in facilitating communication and interaction among individuals. It encompasses various sub-functions and involves the exchange of information, ideas, emotion, and intention to achieve shared understanding within a community. Number two, uh, informative Formative function. Formative function of language is centered around conveying factual or information, describing event, object, or concept in a way that enhances the listener or reader's knowledge and understanding of the word. And number three, the directive function. The directive function involves using language to provide guidance, instruction, commands, and requests. It is a great geared toward influencing the behavior of other or speaking specific action, making communication purposeful and goal oriented. Hmm, it's expression number four, the expression function. The expression function of language serve the purpose of articulating and conveying emotion, thought, and personal experience. It allows individuals to express their feelings, opinions, and perspectives, contributing to the subjective and emotional aspect of communication. Number five, I have the collaborative function. The collaborative function of language emphasizes cooperation and joint effort in communication. It involves using language to work together, share ideas, negotiate, and build common ground, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Okay, number six, aesthetic function. The aesthetic function of language is associated with the artist and creative use of language for expressive and symbolic purpose. And the last one, patic the function. The patic function of language is concerned with the social aspect of communication, emphasizing the establishment and mention of social relationship. Patic expression include greetings, small talk, and other verbal interaction that serve a primarily social rather than information purpose. Okay, number three, the language forms spoken and written. Spoken and written language are interconnected and complement each other. Many languages have a standard written form that corresponds to the spoken form, but there can be variation is in style, vocabulary, and grammar between the two. Some expressions are more natural in spoken language, while others are more suited for written communication. The choice between the two depends on the context, purpose, and audience. Advanced in technology such as digital communication have blurred the distinction between spoken and written language, with features like texting, email, and message platform incorporating element of both. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.